with all of you connecting was not bad. It was good. But what needs to understand, Ranveer Putra Tanukia, you cannot have mask. It takes away the focus. No glasses on. And where is your cup? Say that again.
Jai Saram Babaji.
Why is it missing, Bachche? Putra, understand. And Rakesh Putra, you can't have your hands like this. It has to be mudra this or this, and you can't jhumo fine in every direction. No, it is. I'm very serious. You all have to take the next step. Enough. That lifespan is not that great as you're thinking. It's a very short lifespan. Every split second is precious. It's very precious. The next may come or may not come. We don't know. और आप कहाँ पर आपका ओम नहीं निकलता पूरा. हाँ, मतलब I can't, I could not, I have to force my ears to hear you. So I'll start the chapter today, chapter 3, but I would want all of you to realize, Raghu Puttar, one thing. I read your report, Raja. Okay?
जी हाँ.
I read the report. It's fine. It's okay. What is needed, Mera Bacha? Only thing what I was getting in the report is just one thing. Is that your internal self. All the reactions in that report is just your internal self.
जी बाबा जी.
How much you keep inside, how much you don't express your will and wish, how much that you want to do, you're not able to do. Even in terms of enjoyment, if you want, you can't even express that now. Why? What's so difficult? If you like something, supposedly you want to say, Nalini, I want to have a date with you today. Why can't you tell us date?
जी बाबा.
Live your life to the fullest, Raja. Forget everything. If you feel anything, just say. That's it. Don't keep it inside. That will not help.
श्योर बाबा जी.
Huh? Huh? श्री सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. अध्याय 3. श्री साईं बाबा की सुकृति, आज्ञा और प्रतिज्ञा, भक्तों को कार्य समर्पण, बाबा की लीलाएं, ज्योति स्तंभ स्वरूप मात्र प्रेम, रोहिला की कथा और उनके मधुर अमृत उपदेश. Putra, I'm going to try and read the first phase only of this because I have something to talk to all of you. I'm going to do that. जैसा कि गत अध्याय में साईं बाबा की स्वीकृति और वचन देना, जैसा कि गद्य अध्याय में वर्णन किया जा चुका है, बाबा ने सचित्र लिखने की हेतु अनुमति देते हुए कहा कि सचित्र लेखन के लिए मेरी पूर्ण अनुमति है. तुम अपना मन स्थिर कर मेरे वचनों में श्रद्धा रखो और निर्भय होकर कर्तव्य पालन करते हो रहो. यदि मेरी लीलाएं लिखी गई तो अविद्या का नाश होगा और ध्यान व भक्तिपूर्ण श्रवण करने से देहिक बुद्धि नष्ट होकर भक्ति और प्रेम की तीव्र लहर प्रभावित होगी. और जो इन लीलाओं को अधिक गहराई तक खोज करेगा, उसे ज्ञान रूपी अमूल्य रत्न की प्राप्ति होगी. इन वचनों को सुनकर हेमांत पंत को अति हर्ष हुआ और निर्भय हो के इस उन्हें दृढ़ विश्वास हो गया कि अब कार्य अवश्य ही सफल होगा. बाबा ने श्यामा की ओर दृष्टिपात कर कहा, जो प्रेम पूर्वक मेरा नाम स्मरण करेगा, मैं उसकी समस्त इच्छाएं पूर्ण कर दूंगा. उसकी भक्ति में उत्तरोत्तर वृद्धि होगी. जो मेरे चरित्र और कृत्यों का श्रद्धा पूर्वक गायन करेगा, उसकी हर प्रकार की मैं सदैव सहायता करूंगा. जो भक्तगण हृदय और प्राणों से मुझे चाहते हैं, उन्हें मेरी कथाएं श्रवण कर स्वभावतः प्रसन्नता होगी. विश्वास रखो, जो कोई मेरी लीलाओं का कीर्तन करेगा, उसे परमानंद और चिर संतोष की उपलब्धि. जो कोई अन्य कह सकती हैं। मैं उन्हें मृत्यु व मुक्ति से बचा लेता हूँ। मेरी कथाएं श्रवण करने से मुक्ति हो जाएगी। अतः मेरी कथाओं को श्रद्धा पूर्वक सुनो और मनन करो। सुख और संतोष प्राप्ति का सरल मार्ग ही यही है। इससे श्रोताओं के मन की शांति प्राप्त होगी। तब ध्यान प्रागण और विश्वास दृढ़ हो जाएगा। तब अखंड चैतन्य घन सबृद्धता प्राप्त हो जाएगी। केवल साईं साईं के उच्चारण से ही उनके समस्त पाप नष्ट हो जाएंगे। बच्चे पहले समझो, लेट्स लुक एट वन पे। देवश्री पुत्र, आप थोड़ा इधर हो सकते हो, थोड़ा सा बेटिया, आप भी थोड़ा सा इधर हो सकते हो। आप भी, कैन ऑल ऑफ यू कम? आई वांट टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू। I won't be able to see all of you like this. Sorry, Raja. Yes. नहीं काटते नहीं ये लोग, नहीं काटते। तो एक बात समझो राजा, what is more important? Even Baba said in the same part of, right? I was discussing with somebody a few days back. What came up is, what is the major trouble a human life has? What is it? The biggest enemy of any human being is what? His own thoughts. Nothing else. Nobody else is the biggest enemy. Our brain has to work, our brain has to think, and our brain has to do something. Because, Arjun, आंखें निकालो. Our brain has to do something. Why don't we put our brain to a thought which will give us energy, which will give us focus, which will give us something sustainability? Our thoughts are wandering all over the world. Today, when all of you started Om, the moment I joined all of you in the beginning, I had so pleasure. You know where I went back today to all of you? I'll share with you. So I don't know, all of you don't see Baba's Sai Dham's logo there. So Sai Dham Canada's logo has a Baba's outer frame. And in that outer frame, right, you know how I showed you guys our Atma Swarupa? It's okay. I'll show all of you. I'll show you. So under that, right at the heart of Baba, this is it. Right? We discussed this. And that brightness of light which is coming out. I could just enjoy that the whole time you were chanting Om. I could just enjoy that. I'll share with all of you. I think I may have something. I'll try and see if I can share something. Yeah. Oh, it's there on his t-shirt.
Take the shirt out.
I'm going to see if I can show. Both of you have seen it. It's a calendar. You guys have it, right, mera bacha? It's okay. Don't worry. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Seen it.
ग्रुप का पिक क्या लगता है ना, वॉलंटियरिंग, साई धाम वॉलंटियरिंग का.
किसका बिटिया?
बाबा का आउटर लेयर है जो
हाँ, ये.
हाँ.
See this part of light?
Yeah.
This is what it has to be. This is what your focus needs to be. Why? Why do we need this? For a simple reason. Our whole purpose of life, we have come for certain karmic actions in the human form, right? Give and take, family, friends, brother, sister, husband, wife, mother, father, whatever, everything, right? Which is fine. But somewhere the bottom line is that I am an individual soul which has to go back to him. Somewhere I have to go back. See, when we leave our body, we leave alone, or we leave with two people. Alone, right? So when we are chanting, it is we are chanting. I am chanting. We collectively do to bring energies up, to connect. But ultimately, it is me. So ultimately, if I am chanting, it is helping me, my brain, my soul. It is my connection. And I have to be I've been thinking this, how much thoughts per day do we hit? Can anybody tell me? Sorry? Any idea? It's a monk study. It's not my study. It's a monk study. They say it's around 68,000 thoughts, approx plus minus. When we start to focus, when we start to keep dhyanam, we still cannot go down to zero. We are still at 28,000 when we are really spending time. That is where the Rishi Munis used to go off, just completely off. थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाओ. So what is needed, मेरा बच्चा? On a day-to-day basis, you have to be hungry, not me. I was telling Baba today, none of them children think that, when we are told 6:25, we need to be there even 5 minutes before. I should wait in my car. I have to be the first to be in. It's not nothing else. I'm not trying to pin you down. What I'm trying to tell you is it shows your eagerness. I want to go meet him, get connect to him. I'll get time for my this. I'll get time for my, like inside you, how you crave for getting a good food to eat, a good dress to get, or meet somewhere, or your goals, whatever. I have to close this client today. I have to get this work done today. How you plan that? You need to plan that. You need to do this. Shikha bache, be little left. Little. That's it. I need to see you, your reactions. I'm very little cuckoo. So, Putta, you come this side a little bit. But on the back, little bit. That's it. I need to see all of you. So I know what you're thinking. What is important is that we are not getting another opportunity. It is not a rechargeable battery. It is dead. It will be given back to you, booster, and you will restart. It's not happening. Once the battery is dead, it is dead. Only He can change. Only He can bless. Only He can do. For that, we have to be super blessed to be having Him connected. And you all are blessed to be able to do that in a body form. All of you are body, have the opportunity. Why? Because we have that part of Him inside us. He's part of us and we are part of Him. We need to know this. We need to understand this. We need to believe this. We are not two people. We are one. We need to work towards oneness. That's all the journey is. तू मुझ में है, मैं तुझ में हूं. The journey is to find Him. Amount of thoughts and time we spend of finding and thinking of something else, we are wasting that part. We are losing that time. We are giving importance to something which is not going to be there for you forever. I guarantee this. Take it whatever. Only one thing is there for you forever, and that is Him. Your own soul, your own Atma, which has to become Paramatma. The moment you find it, it will become Paramatma. You will become Paramatma. That all of us, that Nirakar Swarup which we carry every time, we need to find it, we need to look for it, we need to crave for it. All the time our fears and are driven just by fears, passing out time, thinking of something which is not important. Why? I'll come back to the same bhajan. गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा, निष्काम होके मैं दिन रात गाऊं, गोविंद दामोदर ये तुम्हारा, भूलो न भाइयों हरि गुण गाओ, क्या साथ लाए ओ क्या ले चलोगे, गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा. Imagine, Putra, today is Holi, right? I don't, have a blessed Holi, have blessed this, have blessed everything. Why can't you bless yourself? Today we will run that colors of His love, we will put it together on ourselves. Why can't I get the color you have? Why can't I be the same color you carry? Why can't I be the same color you are? Why? Why am I looking for something else? Why? तेरी सृष्टि का रंग एक है, तेरी आत्मा का रंग एक है, तेरे दर्शन का रंग एक है, तेरे पाने का रंग एक है. फिर मैं वो एक क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अगर तू एक है तो मैं एक क्यों नहीं हो सकता? अगर तू ही सब कुछ है तो मैं वो सब कुछ क्यों नहीं हो सकता? तुझे दुनिया की, अपने बच्चों की प्रेम की आस है, मुझे तेरे प्रेम की आस क्यों नहीं? मुझ में भी वही तड़प पैदा कर दे कि जब तक तुझसे मिल ना लूं तब तक चैन से रह ना सकूं. Can't we get the same craving? Can't we fight for the same? This shortest opportunity of few years we have to turn him around. Such a short time we have, and such a big task we need to do. Baba said, if you go deeper to what I say, I will take you through. I will take you through. And the simplest way he taught us today was what? Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 sai. Sai, 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 देखो पुत्र, one name chanting takes you away from all the thoughts. You all were chanting Om, and I was telling Baba that I want when they get up, all of their brains become total numb, knows nothing, no nothing they could think. Make them like that for a few minutes. So that they really shake themselves to come out. Raghu Bacha, we started before like that 8 o'clock onwards. So right at 8 o'clock, the chanting starts for 15 minutes. It started with 5-7 minutes, then Baba took it to 10 minutes, then 12 minutes, and from today it has become 15 minutes.
So Babaji, should we log in at 8 o'clock instead of 8:15 then?
I don't mind, Bacha. You can do that. But then you won't be able to sit on top. You'll have to sit down and be very calm at the place. So I told Baba today that Baba, I'm going to make sure, like very clear, 15 minutes they have to start doing. We'll keep increasing them. We'll keep pressurizing them till the time that their bubble of thoughts they carry it busts out. You know, आज मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, he is not meeting, he is not talking, he is not doing, right? We have that problems, right? We only talk about him then. Only him. Why only him? Baba just said, Baba just wrote in this 3rd chapter, beginning. He's saying if my Leelas are written, the ignorance will be gone. You will be blessed and get an opportunity. What you need, I can help you. But if you do a PhD on my Leelas, if you go deeper into that to understand what it defines, I can take you towards Mukti and Moksha Yatra. What happens with any saint, as I said, for me, as I look at Guru Nanak Dev Ji, look at Baba, Swami Shivanand Ji, for me, all these are very part to it, my life. In a similar manner, for me, Jesus is the same part. I look at him the same way. I have no difference on that. Because all these masters who came, they came to give. They never propagated to say, I have powers, I'm going to do this, follow me. No. They approached people, they went to people, they extended themselves to help them. And they started walking. वो चलते गए और कारवां बनता गया. जाग रहे? अच्छा. Puttar, whether pain or no pain, gain or no gain, your focus should be, I have to get him. I have to get him. Day in and day out, getting up or sleeping, you can forget everything, but cannot forget one thing. आजावे माही तेरा रास्ता उड़ीक दिया, आजावे माही तेरा रास्ता उड़ीक दिया, रास्ता उड़ीक दिया, आजावे माही तेरा रास्ता उड़ीक दिया. You know what it means, right? Huh? My lover, my love of my life, I'm waiting for you. When are you going to come? When? We sang this before. I know you, all of you have that. I have 1960s wakes up in me. It's like, कि तू नहीं तो ये बहार क्या बहार है, तू नहीं तो दिल को तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है. दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, कि हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा. Arjun is very confused now.
ऋषि के लिए भी गा दो, करण
One day, Putra, take him with you and drop him home. And while you drop home, make sure you have a loud music. Bijal comes out, you are gone, and then he's gone after. Make sure. And while you are leaving, no, and make sure Bijal is out and say, bye, Danny. We had fun, right? And that was it. पुत्र हमेशा ध्यान रखना, हमेशा, जब तक हमारे जीवन में, till the time of our life, we don't have a goal, we will not achieve it. Will not achieve it. If it is a casual part, it will be a casual relation only. But it is determined focus, you will work on it. You know how you set your targets and goals, your budgets, right? I have to have this. I have to get this. What about him? Where is he? Backyard? Back pocket? In the wallet? In the temp? Where? Huh? Arjun? Where is he? Ranbir? कितने? Ikkal Putra, remember one thing. If he is important to you, and as you say, yes, he's very important to us, we can't live without him. Why is he not in every part of your conversation? Why? Social, secular world may not understand, that's fine. But when it comes to ownership, you can modify the ownership. His grace, His grace, His grace. At least modify so that you don't take it to yourself, you make it His grace. Take His acceptance. Thanking Him continuously. Working on it continuously. It is holy today, Putter. It's holy today. There's a beautiful bhajan of Baba. I have lost the track, but I remember one line of that. And it's very beautiful. साईं रंग दे अपने रंग में साईं रंग दे अपने रंग में रंगा ही ना वो क्या पहचाने रंग का मोल रंगीला जाने रंगा ही ना वो क्या पहचाने रंग का मोल रंगीला जाने रंगा जो तेरी डगर में साईं रंग दे अपने रंग में साईं रंग दे अपने रंग में. We're requesting Baba that color us in the color you are. साईं रंग दे अपने रंग में. So color us in the color you are. And then it says that if who is not colored, he doesn't know the taste of it. रंगा ही ना वो क्या पहचाने रंग का मोल रंगीला जाने. The person who's not got that color, he will not know the flavor. If somebody tells, have you eaten apple pie? I don't know what apple pie is because I've never tasted it, right? So once you know apple pie, you can explain, how that apple pie is. So once you get a dip of his love, you get into his mode, you feel that, you know it, you're enjoying it. Now you can explain it. Somebody sitting next to you, he won't even know what you're talking about. He won't know. Because it's you who have tasted it. क्या समूह? है सोम? So it's you who has to make a decision. It's you who has to make a choice. Till the time you decide, till the time you make an effort, it is not happening. It is not happening, Raja. It is not happening. Putra, I'll not take a lot of time today because we have a lot of work to do today here. So we are some modifying certain things. Tuesday, right? Wednesday. So we have to move for a lot of things here. Baba's library is coming in place. That work is coming up from it. By Ram Navami, it should be there ready. The work has to be done on that. So before we go, Raja, today, my only humble request to all of you is today's holy part is just one thing. I want to be in the color you are. Please, please put me in the same color, same mode, please. Huh? Can you do it? Arjun? Huh? Okay, I said I want to requesting Baba today, to all of you, not to you only, but to everybody, that today's part is that I want the same color that you have. He has. I want to be in the same form, same color, same. Help me to get there. Is it helpful? Huh? Is it tough? Achievable? Sure, good. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Shri Sachidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. Amen.
Jai sir.
Putra, please say Dakshu and to Rishika Jai Shri Ram Putra.
Thank you, Shri Babaji.